In this video, I'll detail how to hard reset iPad Air. So if you have an iPad Air and you want to forcefully reset the iPad Air so that you can just clear the iPad cache and reload the iPad OS without removing or deleting all your data on the iPad, then this video is going to walk you through. So if I don't know this video, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to hard reset your iPad Air, all you just need to do is press the side button at the top and then the home button together at the same time. So go ahead and press both buttons together. Just keep pressing the two buttons. And after a couple of seconds, you see your iPad Air turned off. Just keep pressing the buttons together until you see the Apple logo. And once the Apple logo comes up, you just need to let go the side button and the home button on your iPad Air. Then once you release the button, the Apple logo will boot and it will boot to the home screen on your iPad. And once the system is booted successfully, that implies that the iPad Air has been hard reset. So this is not soft reset or factory reset. This will reset your iPad Air to default settings, but it will hard reset your iPad Air and clear all the iPad cache and then reload the operating system. So that is it. So that's how you can easily hard reset iPad Air. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.